Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to see the Directx version that you have on your Windows 10. So to see what Directx version you have to go to the search bar here and write DXDIAG, which I pronounce as DX Anyway, after you have written that, you will have the app here. Now click on it. Now we can see the Directx diagnostic tool has come. Now under system information, we can see the Directx version that is installed on our system. So it is Directx 12. Now, if you have a graphics card that does not support DirectX 12, I don't think it will show DirectX 12. Rather, it will show whatever the latest DirectX version your graphics card supports. Also, you have to make sure that your graphics card is up to the date so that it supports the latest DirectX version. So that's it, guys. That's how you can actually see DirectX version on your Windows 10. And I hope this video helps you in that particular problem of yours, or if you wanted to know that. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you subscribe the channel because it really helps. And okay, I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.